Welcome to school 2. School 2. Oh, I will buy you iPhone. You don't know me.
When are you going to buy? I don't want you to keep promising me and
when I'm going to buy it for you. Don't worry.
Maybe I'll tell y'all. Trend is going up.
This is so cute.
Yo, what up? What up?
I'm sorry.
No, what is the problem now?
I love your tattoo. It's so cute.
Oh.
It's adorable.
What? No. But let me tell y'all. You know Tupac? You know Biggie?
Yeah.
Oh. You know Jay-Z?
Yeah.
You see Jay-Z hand? Yo, man.
Your tattoo.
Okay, because of tattoo, that's why you come to disgrace me for young, Abi.
Oh, I like tattoos now.
That's why you came and leave me like that and start talking to somebody that have tattoo.
You complain a lot. I said I like tattoo. Can't you just go and draw yours?
Okay. Where them day?
I like your tattoo. Oh girl, oh girl, oh girl.
Imagine some minutes ago, me and my girlfriend, we follow. Would they call? Sometimes my girlfriend see somebody don't draw tattoo, they shout, yo man, yo man, yo man. My girlfriend leave me, the follow person with draw tattoo, they shout, yo man. So we they talk, my girlfriend say that tattoo, me too, I want to go and draw my own tattoo now.
Wait! You want to go and draw tattoo?
Yes, of course.
Forget say tattoo now forever. They are permanent.
Not your body, it's my body.
Okay.
Do you know anywhere there's draw tattoo around this place?
Where them day? Something about you. Where am I tattoo girls? I gotta do your tattoo.
What's this? What's the meaning about this?
What? Not be you that time they shout, say, that guy for that place, then you shout, Biggie, Tupac, Biggie, yo man, yo man. You say you like tattoo now, I don't go on my own.
Not this kind of tattoo.
No, be this time.
This one is not. That, I mean, something more, you know, catchy now.
Catching. No, I go draw catching now for you. Catching, I go draw. Don't give me 10 minutes. We try to call you, go right this now. You know Snoop Dogg? That one, yo man, Snoop Dogg. Let's put this on.
What is it? You're just embarrassing me. What is all this? It's looking so fake now.
All these things that is.
No. I don't like all this now. Do something original. Was it a carpenter that drew it for you?
What?
I don't like this. It's actually I don't like it.
Okay, now go put it.
My friends laugh at when they say
Girl, where them day? I like your tattoo.
You don't like that one. So I have photo.
Show me the place where you place that tattoo. It's sexy, be your chest and your back.
are these permanent tattoos?
No, forever and ever. You can't come out. You know, see, I write your name for this side, Caro. For this side. Yes, now, I had to put permanent one because I want you to love me, you know, unconditionally. I put Tupac, even Doggy Dog, everything I put.
I'm sorry, but you know my father is a pastor and we're very Christians. My father said I can't have anything to do with someone who has tattoo all over his body because he feels you're irresponsible.
What?
So I can't date you or get married to you.
My name is Jennifer. Please keep watching School2 and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please keep on watching School2. We thank you for what you've done for us, but we need more. Please keep watching School2. We love you. Thank you.
School 2.